Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Taisha, and on today's video I decided to do something a little bit different here on my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you guys my opinion slash unboxing the 2018 Boxycharm. A lot of people talk about this subscription box, so I finally decided to try it out. This is my third month receiving a box, so I really know how I feel about this product. And if you guys are interested in trying this brand out, hopefully I can help you guys all make your decision. So that's what today's video is going to be all about. So if you're interested in this video, make sure you guys keep on watching. But before I let you guys go, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the little notification bell so you guys know every time I upload a new video. And also, if you guys want me to do Boxycharm's unboxings every single month, let me know in the comments below or give this video a thumbs up. But without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump into it. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and did like a little half updo today. I really like it. Hope you guys like it as well. And I have my bottle of water right here next to me because this room gets so hot every time I film, especially with a backdrop, you guys. It gets so hot. And also I always have to have a bottle of water next to me at all times, you guys. It's like a must for me because if not, I just feel like my throat is closing. It's like the weirdest thing ever. I don't know if any of you guys can relate. But anyways, you guys, today I have the 2016 Boxycharm box. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. This is what it looks like. It gives you guys some coupons right here. I don't know if you guys want to see it. There you go. You guys can use those at checkout for money off. It looks something like this, and right here it tells you everything that it comes with. I already know some items that are in here because I follow them on Instagram and I always see before I get it. I just ruin it for myself. The first item that I'm super excited to try out is this little palette right here. This is the Lorea'l Los Angeles palette in Party Animal. I'm super excited to try this palette out. That's what it looks like right there. It comes with 6 colorful, fun eyeshadows and a mirror. This retails for $19. I was so excited when she was launching this product. I was gonna buy it until I found out it was coming on my August Boxycharm, so I was super excited. So this right here, it's already worth the box right here because this retails for $19 like I said, and I'm just so excited, you guys, to play with some color. Next thing I'm seeing in the box is this Becca First Light priming filter. Oh no, I got this one. It was this one and the Ever Matte primer that they're giving away in another one. I got the First Light primer. This I believe retails for $16. Let me go ahead and double check on this little thing. This retails for $15/18. Let's see, the next thing I'm grabbing is this Bang Beauty. I have never heard of this brand. Where is it at? Okay, right here. This is a chocolate eyeliner that retails for $22. That is expensive for a liner. Let me go ahead and open it really fast. Oh yeah, this is just a gel brown liner. The next thing I'm seeing is in, what is this? NCLA treatment. So rich. Oh, this is a cuticle oil. This is the little cuticle oils which are perfect for my nails right now. I always do my nails myself, you guys, with some little press-ons that I get from Amazon. That's how I get my nails done. I haven't gotten my nails done in the longest time because I refuse to pay $40 to $60 for nails when I can get them done for $10. So this retails for $18. Hopefully it works. I do get really dry cuticles. I guess we can go ahead and try this out right now because we're not going to be using it for a makeup look. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it on my cuticles. It smells kind of good. It smells like something sweet. So we get a cuticle oil. You also get, oh wow, you get 3 little masks. Oh, are these eye masks? Yeah, they're eye masks. They're the Wonder Beauty. I have heard of this brand before. I don't know where. Oh, I think I got something from this brand last box. This is the Baggage, I think that's how you say it, Claim Gold Eye Mask. You get 3 of them. Wow, that's impressive. Sometimes you get 1, but in this one you get 3, and this retails for $13. That is amazing, you guys. So I guess the whole concept of this charm this month is live at the party. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this on really fast before I continue talking because I can talk forever. I don't know how long you leave them for, but we're gonna go ahead, open them up. Ooh, this is nice, you guys. I think I'm the only person that does not know how to open this. Okay, there you go. Ooh, I think you put it like this, right? Ooh. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and applied it. This is what it looks like right here. It feels really moisturizing under my eyes and really nice and smooth. I feel like it kind of changed my lighting a little bit, but that's okay. I'm gonna leave those for 15 minutes, but before I let them sit a little bit longer, we have one more product to talk about. Hopefully the lighting is not too bad. This is the Ooh, they gave me a Smashbox Be Legendary Liquid Metal. What is this? Is this a lip product? I think this is a lip product. Let me go ahead and read my little Boxycharm little note thing. So this is a assorted lip product, so you can get other stuff as well. It's not only this color. I believe this retails for $21. I believe that. Smashbox is expensive. I believe this is a lip product. I got a metallic one. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I do not like this color at all, you guys. This is the only negative thing I can say about Boxycharm, that sometimes you might get stuff that you won't even use. Like this lip product, I believe it's a lip product. I do not like the color at all, so we're not going to be using in this. Probably going to give it away to someone or something. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and let this little eye mask set for 15 minutes, take them off, and then we should be right back to start playing with the other item. Okay, so I went ahead and removed what I had in my eyes. I did not like how it's coming out. I had another thing in my head and it did not, like my idea, the image I had in my head did not look like what I was doing. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick the shade Drinks, and we're gonna apply this all over our crease using a fluffy brush. Alright, just like this, and then we're gonna apply Bottoms Up, which is this beautiful pink shade that has sparkles to it. And we're applying this to our crease as well, starting in the outer corners. Alright, and then I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease using some Tarte Shape Concealer in the shade Light Medium, and grab this Bottoms Up color one more time and blend the corners right here. Alright, and once we have that done, I'm gonna go in with the shade Isa Party. I was gonna say Isa Party, you guys. Oh my god. But it's this beautiful neon greenish yellow color. I don't know. It's a really pretty shade. And we're gonna go ahead and pack this right here in the inner parts. This has a lot of fallout to it. And then to darken everything up, I'm gonna go in with the shade Hangover right here. Okay, I don't really like this shade, you guys. It feels like you really need to pack it in, and this is what ruined my other look, so I'm gonna go in with the shade Karaoke. Alright you guys, so finally my eyes are done. It's been like 2 hours of me trying to do my eyeshadow. The first look turned out horrible, you guys. So we're gonna move on, like I said, to primer my face. I'm gonna be using this Becca primer. I wish I got the Ever Matte. This is just like a, I guess, like hydrating primer. It's purple, and I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. I don't think it's luminous. Maybe a little bit. It does make my skin look nice, not gonna lie to you guys, and it feels moisturizing. This primer claims to be your instant fix for a bad face day, so whatever that means. Yeah, you guys, I feel like I tried everything I had to try out. I'm gonna go ahead right now and finish up the rest of my makeup off of camera, and then I should be right back to give you guys my final opinion on everything. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look I created using the August 2018 Boxycharm. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a really quick run through everything I did use. We're gonna go ahead and get started talking about the Lore'l Los Angeles Party Animal palette. I honestly really like how travel friendly this is. I like the packaging, I love the mirror, I love everything about it. This whole Boxycharm theme is live at the party, in case I haven't said that before. So I really do think they did good with this palette. I feel like everything blended out amazing. There is a lot of fallout coming with these two shades right here. Other than that, the rest blended out amazing. This color right here, Hangover, I feel like it's a really difficult shade to use. You want to make sure you pack everything in. The next one is the Becca primer. I ended up getting the First Light priming filter. I do like it, but I definitely need a mattifying primer. I feel like this is perfect if you have normal to dry skin. Even if you have oily skin, I feel like we can use it. But again, I need my matte primer right here. Other than that, I still need to use it. I'm probably still gonna keep it in my makeup collection. Just use it with other primers as well. The next product they gave us is the Smashbox Assorted Lip product, which I do not like at all. I mean, I just dropped it right now, you guys, and I'm too lazy to pick it up, but I did not like the color at all. I feel like I don't really like metallics, and this is the only, I guess, miss of Boxycharm, that sometimes you're gonna get products that you don't really like or you're not gonna use. So instead of opening, swatching it, and just using it for the video, I'm gonna go ahead and give it away to someone that does like it. But moving on, I also tried the eye masks, which are right here. I honestly really like this, and I love how they give you more than one. Usually companies give you one little packet and that's it. I love how they give you 3, and I'm definitely gonna keep using them. I feel like my concealer did go in a little bit more smooth. It's just like a relaxing day. You just want to put this on and just relax, you know. And then the next product it came with is the eyeliner in chocolate. I'm surprised it didn't come with a black one, because when I think of party I think of really dramatic black liner, but it came with a chocolate color, and I'm sure this is gonna work amazing. I'm definitely gonna keep this to myself. I just didn't use it today because my look is so dramatic that this will just disappear. And the last thing is this little cuticle oil thing, which honestly I don't know why is it here, huh? It is party theme. Let's see. Glam yourself, head to the cuticle before, or glam yourself, head to cuticles before a night out with this vitamin E infused cuticle oil. I feel like this is a little bit random to throw in, but I'm glad I did because we all love a good cuticle oil, I guess. I mean, why not? But other than that, I really loved everything, and I definitely, you guys, recommend you guys to try out Boxycharm if you've been wanting to try it out. Hopefully I helped you guys make your decision. I feel like it's an amazing company or subscription box to try out new products for only $20. It's really affordable in my opinion, because this by itself is $16. The eyeshadow palette is $19, so you're saving a lot of money. And if you're like me and you love trying new beauty stuff, I feel like Boxycharm is the way to go. But yeah, you guys, all that being said, I really hope you guys enjoy my review slash unboxing of the August 2018 Boxycharm. If you guys want me to do this regularly on my channel, maybe I can do the September Boxycharm, October, November, December, so on and so forth. So let me know in the comments below if you guys are interested on seeing that from me on my channel, because we can definitely do that. And really quickly, before I let you guys go, in case you guys are gonna ask me for my lashes, today I used the Nola B Viva Lash Set. This is what it looks like right here, you guys. They sent me this over in the mail, and I am super excited they did. These lashes are so beautiful, you guys. I feel like they completed the look amazing. They're dramatic but not too dramatic, so it's something different for me. And it also comes with a little lash applicator, in case you guys are wondering. I'll go ahead and have them linked below. Definitely recommend you guys go ahead and try them out. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking. Finally, you guys, this video took me like 3 hours to film, and I am over it, you guys. I've just been in this room for too long. It's time for me to go. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and I shall see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.